Majik DSM is the best all-in-one music player available. It's the accessible distillation of the greatest Linn can offer. Designed by the same team, engineered on the same machinery, and built by the same technicians with all the same care and attention to detail as our flagship products, Majik DSM is a serious piece of kit. Majik DSM is the direct result of peerless expertise gained since we were the first company in the world to bring studio-quality music into the home in 2007. Every electrical component, every piece of aluminium, steel, silicon, and glass is tailored expressly for Majik DSM by our multidisciplined team of engineers. As you might imagine, it sounds, feels, and looks amazing. Stream from high-resolution platforms with vast libraries, or use Spotify, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, or internet radio. Hook up any turntable, connect your TV and experience consoles and set-top boxes with huge sound. Connect your headphones or a subwoofer. Whatever you connect to Majik DSM, it just works, and beautifully.